everything. I mean, I suppose I have lots of stories about when I worked at YIVO, but I don't know how much, I could probably talk for several more hours about that. You know, I mean, what's interesting to me, I guess, as a historian studying YIVO is that, well, there's many interesting things about it, you know, but, you know, now I realize, I mean, I look at the pre-war period, I read these things, and, you know, obviously that's a historical period now, but now I realize that even the period when I worked there in the early 90s has kind of become a historical period because, as you asked about, you know, the YIVO on 86th Street is gone and a lot of people have passed on. So, you know, it's strange to think of myself as, you know, someone who's become part of history in a sense that, you know, the YIVO that I knew when I worked there, that I was really a privilege to work there, you know, that so much of that has already disappeared. You know, I meet young graduate students, they're like, did you know Dina Abramovich? You know, when I knew Dina Abramovich, I worked with her every day, and, you know, I mean, of course I recognize what a tremendous resource she was, but, you know, it's just odd to think that this is already kind of part of history, you know.